Hello, avid AVL and distance sophomores. I hope you guys are doing great as we're getting ready for our last day before our break. Now, guys, before we get into today's assignment, I wanted to go ahead and review with you that today, Friday the 20th, is the last day you can make the official switch from AVL to face-to-face or face-to-face to AVL. There will not be any more opportunities after this switch. So if you'd like information, you're going to go to alvinisd.net. You'll notice that this is a scrolling information. I'm going to just scroll and scroll. If I keep using the arrow, it will eventually keep going until here, deadline to switch. I'm going to click on read more, guys, and then this is the flyer. So today, the 20th, if you're going to switch, come to school or go home, then please know that this is your deadline. So you are going to go ahead, and even though the deadline is today, it actually doesn't officially take place or take effect till January the 5th. Now, in order to make the switch, your family is going to log into Skyward, access the AVL face-to-face switch, which is under the online forms. So I'll leave this here for a minute in case you want to take a screen grab, screenshot, something so you can see it. But guys, please remember, I know there are several of you that are home for many different reasons. Yes, safety, health reasons are a number one priority, and guys, your family's safety is the priority. However, if that's not the reason that you're staying home, it's for other personal reasons, and you have been struggling with your classes, I strongly consider that you encourage coming back for the second semester. There will be no fourth 9-week switch. So whatever you choose today, the 20th, this is what you're going to have for the rest of the school year, okay? Now, let's go ahead and review your assignment for today. So, guys, we are going to continue with our SAT practice. As I said earlier, the SAT, guys, is a college entrance test. You traditionally will not take it until your junior year, the second semester. And that's because most of the material that they cover on the SAT, you've covered in school by then. But there are tools like Khan Academy that are out there to help you study and prepare. It is a test you can study for. It is a test you can prepare for. You should have already by now linked your account between College Board and Khan Academy. So you're going to log back into Khan Academy. I did put the link here. You're going to review your personalized study plan and complete one entire reading study section. The section I asked you to do yesterday was math. This is something, guys, that yes, we're going to use time in Avid the rest of your sophomore year. Not as many days as we are right now. Maybe every couple of weeks we'll do a study session, couple of weeks. But this and access to Khan Academy, you can do at any time. So I would definitely set up a few hours a week where you can come in and you can help practice, because the more you're exposed, the more you understand, the better it's going to be for you when you take the test. I hope you have a fabulous break. Definitely get some rest, and I will talk to you when we return. Bye-bye.